Hey everyone, how y'all doing? So, got an unboxing video for you today. This evidently is a birthday present. Now my son told me that he ordered me something for my birthday. I'd have to wait for it to get here. And this showed up this morning, and it's addressed to Dad Rogers, and it's from Smoky Mountain Knife Works. So, I don't know what this thing could be. It's in a box, big square box. I know he didn't spend a lot of money. He doesn't have the money to spend. I told him, I tell the kids, don't waste your money on us. But he got me something, so I have no clue what this thing's gonna be. Thought I was gonna actually use a pull tab. Let's get out the Victorinox Compact and let's get this thing open. Who knows what this thing is? Oh, 2 boxes in here, not just one. Let me pull the paperwork out. Here's they have the invoice and the return label. These stickers in here. Boy, they're slacking on stickers. Okay, so I see a Rough Ryder box and MR. That's probably marbles. So let's pull out the Rough Ryder. It's model RR2076 and Celestial Series. So this is just going to be an unboxing video. I'll come back and go over these knives more detail later on, but let's check this out. I don't even know what the Celestial Series is. Rough Ryder 25 has the anniversary logo right there. Oh, I do know. We actually kind of looking at some of these online, I think. Oh, that's pretty cool. I don't know if the camera can do it justice. I guess it is Celestial. What is this, a Congress? Got a little blade. Big sheep's foot blade. And another blade. So I got this open that up. I think this is a Congress pattern. I do not have one like this, but that is pretty slick. Got the long match strike poles on it. There's the logo, Rough Ryder, on the back, RR2076, China, slanted, got the slanted R bolster right there, pinch bolsters, pretty awesome. Fit and finish looks pretty dang good. Close these up. I love that blade. It's a nice little blade. I'll have to look these up, see what exactly the models and patterns are. But man, back springs are nice. Pins are nice on this. Nice and smooth. Even this one that goes through the back springs. Nice and flush. Blades are not hitting anything. Awesome. So that's that one. And like I said, I think that's a Congress pattern. I'm not sure. And this one, what's this one? Oh, this is a marbles. And I think this my first marbles knife. I've looked at them, just have never bought them. Again, MR565. Open it up. Hey, it's got a sheath with it. Maybe it's a little lockback. So, nice sheath. Got marbles stitched in there. A decent nylon strap for a belt loop, unlike some other ones I've had. One of those hard cases. Oh, it is going to be like a lockback hunter. Yeah, it is. I've looked at this one also online. Pretty cool. Orange. Doesn't have finger grooves, but it has these cutouts right here with chamfered for like finger grooves. I like the material. It's just an FRN, GRN material, but they feel actually pretty nice. Not extremely heavy either. This one's a lot heavier. Let's check the blade out. Oh yeah, got a classic clip point blade. Got marbles right there and a tang. This side, it's got the model number again. MR565, made in China. And yeah, that fits my hand pretty good. And lightweight. I don't even want to carry it in case. This is lightweight enough to carry in the pocket. Has a lanyard hole. The brass tube going through there. Not too bad. It's pinned. And this one, I mean, you can tell it looks like somebody beat it down with a hammer and a punch. So that pin is flat right into it. That one sticks up. Yeah, the hammering, the peening of the pins is a little rough, but other than that, the inner edge of the handle is not sharp. There's no sharp spots on here. It's nice and chamfered all the way around. It's a tail lock. Nice and smooth. Wow. Looks fairly clean in there, unlike some knives I've gotten in this styling. Yeah, I do. I don't mind this plastic at all. But yeah, pretty long knife too. It's very reminiscent, right, of a buck 110. The buck 110 pattern's the most copied knife in the world, right? So this is one of them, and it's got a little dainty tip on there. Shall we do let's do just a little test cuts here on these. This thing, the grind, and it's ground pretty nice. A little rough. You can see there's little flakes on the edge. I have no clue what the steel is on this. Like I said, I'll look them up and we'll go over these later on, do all the specs and everything. After then, I'll have some use on them. Not bad, actually. That cut was a lot better. I think it just had a couple burrs on there, and I just knocked some of them off. So that's cool. What's the box to this? Yeah. I'll just set that there. Let's check out, I guess it don't matter. Just pick a blade. The little pin blade. That's not bad. Little flakes on there. Try to keep these straight. Let's do the next one. That's kind of weird. That doesn't go all the way down in. The back spring's pushing that up a little bit. Yeah. I'd like that down in there further. Then you'd have more of this nail pull. Pretty nice blade right there. This one, not too sharp at all. See the flakes on there? That was pretty rough. Let's do this one. Oh yeah, the sheep's foot. Not too awful bad. It's a little rough. They do feel sharp though. Oh, what did I? Is this? No, that's the one that won't close. Did I do all 4 of them? I might have. Anyhow. Anywho. Yeah. That should go down further. How do you fix that? But other than that, the fit and finish on this thing is excellent. Just excellent. No real gapping at all. A little dirty. Needs to be cleaned up a little bit. But that's it. Cool. I got 2 cool knives. I know these weren't too much, but it was more than he probably should have spent anyways. Yeah, I really appreciate these. That Rough Ryder's a pretty cool looking knife. And this thing, I'm quite surprised by this. This feels like I'm holding a buck lightweight, kinda. Very reminiscent. We'll compare these things. This to some of the bucks. And I have another Rough Ryder Hunter lockback also. It's wood. That was really copying the buck knife. But anyways, I guess that'll do it for this video. Quick unboxing, couple presents I just got. And you know, before I sign off here, the Rough Ryders, they're 440 real razor sharp steel. 440 razor sharp steel. And yeah, guess that'll do it for this video. Do the usual like, comment, subscribe. And until next video, bye.